that. It's the first. So I'm going to give you a call. I'll give you a call later. The first goal of the game. Was it given? The first goal? It wasn't given. So don't worry, ladies and gents, you missed nothing. This is a treat of a match. These two teams have been itching to play each other for quite some time. You've got the HPP Warriors versus the First Technology, HPP Hurricanes versus the First Technology Warriors. 1-0 is the score now to the the Warriors. Oh, inside. No goal. Coach Page not happy with the ruling there. It might be warm in here, but if you're beside Coach Page right now, I'd say it's a little frosty. Oh! 2-0 very, very quickly in favor of the Warriors. Don't forget, the HPP Hurricanes have already played a game this afternoon. But this is a vital game, and it's such a tasty encounter between these two teams. You've got a stellar lineup of senior boys. I can't even really go through it here, but the who's who. Smart little play there, but it gets swallowed by the Warriors. Free in. Up goes. Nice goal. 2-1. Long ball up. Well played, boy. Into the corner. Oh, what a pick. Beautiful. Pluck out of the sun. Wait, says Coach Cakes. Now make the pass, and he does. The back shot works. 3-1. And it's goal time. Great goal there, back from the HPP Hurricanes, keeping this game within the 1 goal. Long ball down. Oh, strong take. A long distance effort hits the back of the net. Oh, shoot, is a goal from the Hurricanes, and off! 2 meter off the back of the head. Did you not play today? You didn't play today? Did you play? It's the first time I'm like, Caitlin's playing good. Oh, a beautiful Owen! Super smart goal. Beautiful goal there from young Riley Owen. A little flickeroony. Ball back. Have a go is the call. Oh, not a bad attempt. Nice ball down the dead center. The Warriors still in the 1-goal commanding lead. 3 minutes 38 left in this half. Using the width. Strong defense. 5-meter given. Deemed illegal from Coach Storm. Let's go over here. Let's see if we can. I don't know. Jesus. Wasn't ready for that. And that's why you don't get in the way of the senior boys. 4-3 is the score, is it? Is it 5-3? Is it 5-3? 5-3 the score. HPP taking the ball. Let's see what the Hurricanes can do now. Owen getting mixed up, but gets the ball. He gets there, choppy stroke, but it works. 3 in. Shoots a goal. The two HPP players linking very, very well, but running out of a little bit of space. And when you post your passes so publicly, it's quite easy for the Warriors to start closing it down. Nice take. Great link play, 5-meter given. Get back, it says coach. And that's why. What a great goal. That's a 6-3 game. Shoots a goal. Oh. The paralysis of analysis. Strong play there. Gabriel Pierce awake to the threat. Push in. Number 9. Now. Shoot time. Oh. 11 seconds, 10 seconds left in this first half. Long shot, take. Oh. And that's the end of the first half of the last game. HPP Hurricanes trailing the First Technology Warriors by 3-6. It's certainly not over, that's for sure. And while we do have this little bit of a break, I really do want to thank all the sponsors that really do make this absolutely possible. And genuinely, we could not have done it without you. I know you know who they are, but I want to give them a special shout out again. Car Connection, thank you so much for coming on board as our gold sponsor. Invest Securities here on Beach Road have come to the party, as have Photoquip and Twizzler as our silver sponsors. We have a myriad, a host of team sponsors, ranging from our under 13s, mixed teams, all the way to senior teams. Would you believe that within 26 hours of putting up the fact that you can sponsor a team, all 21 teams were sponsored, and that's a massive testament to East London and the East London water polo community. We'd love to thank, of course, the BCWL committee who make this possible. Thank you, guys. We'd also love to thank, and this is a really important thank, we'd love to thank the coaches who sacrificed time to come here to help out, to get this where we want it to be, and to help our kids get ready for what is very publicly our open mission and aim, and that is to bring up the sport of water polo in East London, right from the age of 13 all the way up to Masters. And we're doing that, and it's happening here in Buffalo City Term 2 Winter League. So thank you so much. As we kick off, we've got 10 minutes left, 170 minutes played of Buffalo City Winter League Term 2 today. We've got 10 minutes left to play, as the Warriors take a very quick advantage and put themselves a 4-goal cushion between themselves and the HPP Hurricanes. As I said to you at the start of the first half, these two teams, this is the first time they've encountered each other. These two teams have been itching to play each other for the best part of this term. There's more testosterone in this pool at the moment than you'd find at an under 13s nightclub back in 1995. Matt, you disagree? So lame is the call. But the difference is one of us is going live and the other one isn't. Great goal! HPP Hurricanes reducing the deficit from 4 to 3. 4-7 the score. At least one of us is doing our job.
I got all of them, don't you?
All about timing is right. And that doesn't just pertain to the shots outside the pool, but the shots inside the pool as well. It's all about the timing. The Warriors, first technology Warriors, coming up, turnover, and that's what we're talking about, timing. Ball across. But now! 2 goals in it. 2 goals. 5-7. Don't forget, this is fast 5. There's no time to throw your arms up in a celebration, because right now we're about to get into the crucial minutes of this game. 7 minutes, 27 seconds left on the clock. Turnover inside the 6, says Coach Storm. And when you're inside the 6, you can't take that shot. Hurricanes on the move again. The momentum of this game swinging towards the black and yellow. At goal time! What a fast rebate of goals. This is where Coach Cakes needs to earn his bread. He needs to get in touch with his team and make sure that their 1-goal advantage stays in the green. The HPP Hurricanes, great goal. You can see the annoyance on Gabriel Pierce, who's had a stormer of a day. Tristan Buss wants it to go to the penalties because he knows he doesn't have to pay for them. Oh! Inside the twos, the call. Great ball up. Can the Hurricane or can the Warriors turn this pressure in? Excellent ball. Could be calls of a ball under, but Pierce warming himself up, hyping himself up. He knows he's not. Oh, good goal. Now we've gone out to a 3-goal margin. HPP Hurricanes had this down to 1. It is surprising, even to me, who's been watching every game so far, how fast the pendulum of momentum can swing in these games. A turnover. And that's what happens when you persevere in defense. The Warriors streaming down the pool. Go, go, go is a call from Coach Page. Let's get straight back up the pool, she says. Inside the last 5 minutes. 175 minutes of water polo played so far today. We're down to the last 5. The ball goes across. Hurricanes, can they? Yes, they can. 7-10. Do not take your eyes off this game, ladies and gents, because I can tell you, no matter what happens, you're in for a treat of 300 seconds. Up goes the Hurricanes again. He's got 2 to the side. He doesn't need them. It's only 2 goals in this. Once again, the momentum of this game has shifted back to the Hurricanes. And then just to silence the crowd there very quickly. Is it Nathan? It is Nathan. Is that a goal, no? Don't worry, you just, I don't know, text or online betting or whatever you're at there. It's happening up. Yes. And it is happening here in the pool. 8-12 the score. Let's check in with Tristan. Tristan, there's 100 and 200 odd seconds left. Who's going to take this? Are the Warriors going to hold on to their lead and take it?
This is the white team.
The white team are the Warriors, the First Technology Warriors. Warriors have got it. Okay. Okay. There you are. Put all your hate speech right there into the comments for Tristan Buss if you're a HPP fan. Oh. Has he predicted the scoreline? Has he predicted the win, Tristan Buss? Inside the last 3 minutes, 5 goals still in this. There's some serious heavy breathing in the pool at the moment, and that's completely understandable. HPP, this is their second game of the day. The Hurricanes playing earlier against the Four-Ways Piranhas, I'm pretty sure. Goal time. Don't say that this is over, I can tell you that, ladies and gentlemen. 9-13, 4 in it. Riley Owen looks up, gets a pass across. Sorry, dude. A pop through. Settles himself. Gets the free. Players in motion. Owen looks up. Takes the shot. 2 inches too far north. Oh! Surprising himself there, young Nathan. Well done. Not only is he the player of the match for the last game, he's also the player of the week from last week. And shots like that is why you get such an accolade. Nathan using some experience here to slow this down. Owen gets the ball cleanly, lovely tackle. Inside the last minute of Super Sunday, 14-9. It's a mammoth ask from the Hurricanes, but it is not an impossible one. It all depends on what happens in the next 10 to 15 seconds to see if this can be done. If it can, I can tell you this is one for the record books. But we're coming into the last 20 seconds and it's almost crystal who's going to take the win here. But the scoreline is not determined. But now I can tell you for sure that the Warriors are going to remain victorious here. With 10 seconds left, can the Hurricanes get one consoling bonus shot? No, it goes off. 2 seconds, 1 second. And that's the end of Super Sunday. What a fantastic day. What a fantastic night. We can't thank everybody enough. Thank you all for coming out to Super Sunday. We had an absolute ball here. Thank you to our gold sponsor, Car Connection. Thank you to Envest Securities. Thank you to Swizza. Thank you to PhotoQuip. Thank you to so many team sponsors that even came out today to make sure that their teams did well. Thank you to all the fans. Thank you to all the players. Thank you to all the coaches. Thank you to the table. Thank you to everybody that's been a part in any way of the Buffalo City Winter League. We really cannot stress our appreciation enough. We can't wait to see you again. Obviously, we're back here on Tuesday. I'm going to take this little second to say goodbye. Hold on, let me see him. I'm going to take this little second to say goodbye. I won't be here on Tuesday. Myself and a couple of people are going out to the jungle to lose and find ourselves a couple of times. But we will be back again. We're going to leave you in the capable hands of, obviously, Tanya and Andrew. Myself and Vernon will be going. But we're going to say thank you so much. And yeah, let's keep the Buffalo City water polo scene strong. See you soon. Thank you again.